Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot CRM. We'll dive right into understanding its core functions and how it can streamline your business operations. This powerful tool centralizes your customer data, helping teams collaborate seamlessly. It's designed to simplify complex sales cycles and improve customer interactions, ultimately boosting your business growth. Get ready to unlock its full potential. Setting up HubSpot CRM is straightforward, allowing you to quickly import contacts and begin tracking interactions. You can easily create and manage deal pipelines, moving prospects through stages like qualified to buy or contract sent. The platform also enables automation for repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails or creating new activities, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. It's about working smarter, not harder. To truly maximize your CRM, customize your dashboard to reflect the metrics that matter most to you, like monthly recurring revenue or new deals closed. Integrating with other applications, such as email marketing platforms or accounting software, creates a powerful, interconnected ecosystem. Leverage the robust reporting features to analyze trends, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. This strategic approach enhances efficiency. For optimal performance, consistently update your CRM data. Accurate information is crucial for effective outreach and reporting. Explore HubSpot's free training and certifications to deepen your expertise and discover new features. Remember, the more you learn, the more value you'll extract from the platform. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep refining your processes for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.